Are you playing a live match in Dream League Soccer on your iPhone and suddenly the game gets stuck on the Please Wait screen? This issue can disconnect you from the match, cause unnecessary losses, and ruin your online gaming experience. In this video, I will show you the best way to fix the Please Wait connection problem during live matches on your iPhone. Let's get started. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Tech Wash. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Open a browser to your choice. Search for internet speed test. Wait for a moment to test your internet speed. If your internet is weak, then swipe down from top, turn airplane mode on for 10 to 20 seconds. Then turn it off. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Restart your Wi-Fi router if you are using Wi-Fi. If you are using mobile data, disable low data mode if it's enabled. If you are connected to a VPN, disconnect it before playing. VPNs can increase latency or cause unstable connection with DLS servers, especially during live matches. Always use the latest version of the game. Open the App Store. Search for Dream League Soccer. If an update button appears, install the latest version. If the problem continues, open Settings. Go to General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. You will need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi afterward, but this can fix persistent network-related issues. Those are the best methods to fix the Please Wait connection problem in Dream League Soccer while playing live matches on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Support us, be with us.
Cucucucurea, se come una paella. Cucucucurea, se bebe una estrella. Jala tiembla, que viene cucurea. Jala tiembla, toma una